Hey, last night was crazy. Your AI woke up in Vegas with no memory of last night. Our woke up with no memory of your code base, which honestly is worse. Every AI session with your repo starts from zero. You repaste the file, re explain the architecture, re describe the decisions you made in March. You are onboarding a brilliant engineer with total amnesia every single morning, right? So, what we did is we built Clipper so your code base finally gets a memory. Clipper is basically three things working as one: a CLI that turns any Git repository into a persistent memory graph on Cogni, a mobile app that lets you chat with the memory you have and steer coding agents from anywhere, and a rule that makes it safe. Your code never leaves your machine, only its knowledge does. The graph isn't marketing art, it's actual schema. 13 type memories, files, commits, pull requests, architecture gaps connected by real relationships. A pull request resolves an issue. A commit change these files. That's what we store in Cogni. So we have this open npm package, which you can install, which is like installing the Clipper memory. So the moment it gets installed, you can just type clipper auth. So this will fulfill the authentication requirement. So first you need to paste a GitHub personal access token. I am using a dummy one for now, which I'll be like removing. So the moment it finishes, it asks for a Congi base URL. You can get it from Congi Cloud and a Congi API key. So after you paste this up over here, the moment you hit enter, you will see that the Clipper is configured and it's ready. One command, Clipper init, reads the repo like a senior engineer on day one. It detects the active scope from Git activity, extract and semantically label every file, maps 70 different dependency edges, reads commit and pull request. And here's my favorite part. It found 94 undocumented gaps in our own code base, root but fair. Everything become typed, self-describing memory chunks batch into Cogni, then cognified into a hybrid graph vector knowledge graph. Files commit PR architectures, not embedded in isolation but connected. But memory that has to relearn everything every day isn't memory, it's hangover. So Clipper Sync is incremental. Every memory is content hash into a manifest. Nothing changes, nothing uploads. Done in few seconds. Make a commit and sync command ships only the delta. Five memories, not hundred or thousands of files. Init once and sync forever. The graph stays alive as the code evolves. Now the fun part, this is Clipper app where I sign in with GitHub, showing every repo I have initialized. I am on my phone, nowhere near my laptop, and I'm going to ask my codebase a question. This answer isn't keyword searches, it's Cogni graph completion, transversing the relationship we build. Which is why I can ask how things relate, not just where things are. Ask mode is like texting a teammate who has perfect recall of the entire repository, because that's literally what it is. And here's where it's going. Clipper Agent Connect puts my laptop on the grid. It detects cloud code, open a live WebSocket, and my phone instantly sees it. Agent online. The presence layer is real and running today. Next, dispatching task from my phone with the agent executing on the laptop, editing, testing, committing locally, briefed by the same Cogni memory before it writes a single code. Your code never leaves your machine. The agent just finally shows up, already knowing the code base. Clipper is live right now. The CLI is on NPM. The app runs in Expogo, and every memory you saw lives in Cogni graph vector layer. 13 memory types, 20 relationship kinds, sync incrementally. Query it from your pocket. Git stores source code. Clipper stores engineering knowledge. No more amnesia. No more what's happened last night. Your code base remembers everything. Thank you for going through this demo along with me. This is Briston, and have a nice day.